In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play two-player on Minecraft Dungeons Xbox Series S. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy-to-follow instructions on how to properly set up local co-op on Minecraft Dungeons. This is going to work for any platform where you can play Minecraft Dungeons, so PC, Xbox, old-gen or new-gen, and also PlayStation consoles. The process is exactly the same. You will be able to play with up to 4 players on the same platform, so local co-op supports up to 4 people, not only 2. All that you have to do is connect an additional controller to your Xbox console, so plug it in using a cable, so a wired connection or wirelessly, whatever you prefer. When you connect an additional controller, you might get a prompt telling you to assign a profile to that controller, so if needed, go ahead and assign a user account that you created, or just choose to use it as a guest, whatever you prefer. Once the controller is properly connected and all set up, when you go back inside of Minecraft Dungeons, you will be able to choose between starting an online game or an offline game. All that you have to do is make sure that you choose offline by using the left bumper and the right bumper, and once you choose offline, if you look at the top right corner of the screen, it is going to tell you to press down on a specific button for player 2 to join. So all that you have to do is follow the prompt at the top right corner of the screen, and player 2 will be able to join the lobby. Each of you will be able to customize your own skin and character, and now the host or player 1 can go ahead and start the offline game. Once you get inside, both of you will share the same screen. Each of you will have your own resources, your own inventory, your own health, and you will be able to play together on the same platform, sharing the same screen. You just have to make sure that the additional Xbox controller is connected, and you press down on the button displayed at the top right corner of the screen to log in as player 2, and like I said, you can have up to 4 players. I hope I was able to help you on how to play two-player Minecraft Dungeons PlayStation 4. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.